welcome back for another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on some of these Saviland products. They reached out to me and sent me some products to review for them. And this is everything that they sent me. Starting off, we have the French manicure gel polish. This is in the white shade, the color white. I actually have their other set and I absolutely love it. And then next they sent me their cuticle remover kit. I was very excited about this. And then lastly they sent me a set of 6 brushes. They have brushes on one end and then at the other end they're dotting tools, so that's awesome. I actually needed some new brushes and dotting tools, so that kind of worked out for me. And they have like liner brushes in there, and then like a gel brush, like a French tip brush. So yeah, I was excited about that. And then like I said, they have the dotting tool on the other end and they're different sizes. And then like I said, the French manicure gel polish in the shade white. The polish is amazing. And then it came with a little pamphlet. It shows you how to paint your whole nail with it or just do the French tip, which I thought was cool that they included that into the gel polish. And lastly is the cuticle remover kit, which I really was excited for because my nails grew, and I'm starting to get back into doing my nails after having the baby, so I thought this was perfect timing. So I'm going to start off with the pamphlet here. It just shows you how to use the products that come with the kit, which was very helpful. This is what I followed to do it. So now we're just going to go into what comes in the kit. It comes with 2 files here. I looked on Amazon to see what they were, and it doesn't say if they're like 100, 180, any of that. It doesn't say, but it comes with 2 of those, which is helpful. And then next it comes with the cuticle pusher and the cuticle nipper is what I'm going to call it. I'm not sure if it has a specific name, but you can never have too many of those. And then it comes with cuticle nippers again. I'm not sure what they're called. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but I actually needed a pair of these, a new pair, and it comes with a cap that comes on that you put on the top, so that's awesome. I actually really needed some of this. And then here's the cuticle remover. I believe that was 60 ml, and I love this stuff. It works really great. And then I was excited for the cuticle oil because I love cuticle oil. You can never have too much of that. I believe that's a 30 ml bottle. And the smell, I smelled it and it smells like fresh, like just fresh cleaning is what I can think of, like a fresh scent. And I like that as well, but you know, I'll tell you how I feel at the end. So these are my natural nails. I actually grew pretty good at the end of my pregnancy. So I'm just reading the instructions on how they say to use the stuff in the kit. And this bottle is the only thing that irritated me. It was so hard to squeeze out. So I tried like 3 or 4 times to squeeze it out. So I ended up just using the cuticle pusher and scooping it out and putting it on my cuticle area. And that was the best way I could get it on there. I tried so many times to squeeze it out. Anyways, this is me just showing you how to scrape off the cuticle. I just use the cuticle pusher and just push back my cuticle, and then I wipe off the excess, and I do that with all 5 fingers. Super easy, and this stuff works amazing. It works great. It softened it, so I was able to scrape it away with the other items. And then when I was finished, I did wipe away the excess, and now I'm using the other end of the cuticle pusher just to help get up some of that dead skin. And it, like I said, this stuff works amazing. It didn't irritate my finger. I do have sensitive skin. It didn't irritate me, which was awesome. And then I use this one here to kind of scoop up the dead skin. That sounds so gross, but that's the only way I can describe it. Kind of like cuts away at the cuticle, and it worked amazing. And then next I used the cuticle nippers just to get up the cuticle. I didn't do too much. I'm not a fan of doing it this way, because I'm scared I'm gonna cut myself, but it made it easy to get it off. So I just did a little bit, you know, to where I wouldn't hurt myself. And these were sharp, but it got it up no problem. So, and this kit is, last I checked, it was $9.99 on Amazon. So it's not too bad, very affordable. I did buff the shine off my nails before I started, so and then after I was finished with the cuticle area and all that, I did go ahead and wash my hands, and now I'm going in with the French gel polish, and I'm going just around making a French tip on my natural nails there. And it's easy. I just use the brush to go around I make the French tip, and then I take one of the brushes that came in the set of brushes that they sent me, and I just use the gel brush, and I just clean up the line on there. I just use alcohol. And this seriously took me like maybe 5 minutes. It didn't take me no time at all. So I feel like if you're in a crunch and you want to do something quick and easy, these brushes will really help you out with that. And they have like other sets, like they had the one I got, which I'm just gonna say the rainbow colors, and they had like a red, black, white, gray, I believe, set as well. And then I'm just gonna take the dotting tool on the other end of that brush and just make a little flower design, just something easy and simple. And I'm just using the white French manicure gel polish. I just flipped the bottle over so I could do it that way. And then I cured that and applied a top coat, and now I'm going in with that cuticle oil, which is absolutely amazing. It absorbs very well. I will say a little goes a long way, so I wouldn't go crazy with adding it like I did the first time there. It did absorb very quickly. And this set, I mean, it came out, look at my cuticles, they look amazing. My nails look refreshed, and I absolutely love this kit. I love the French manicure. Their set, the bottles are amazing, the brushes are awesome, and the brushes are awesome themselves. So yeah, I highly recommend this. You guys go on there, everything will be linked down below. So make sure you head over to Amazon, to Saviland, and get these products. They are amazing. Like I said, that bottle is hard to squeeze, so just keep that in mind. But other than that, the product itself is awesome. So thank you to Saviland for sending me these products. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.